I'm looking rough. Been running errands all day. So excited about my new home. So this is my first time recording a house tour. I'm just going to jump right in, starting from the front of the house and the back of the house and all of the bedrooms. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a 2-car garage and a nice sized backyard. It also has a washer and dryer connection. And right now what you're seeing is the lovely backyard. It's a pretty big backyard. Well, not big, it's modest. And next, I will show you the next favorite part of the house, which is my bedroom, the master bedroom. This room is very big. It has a lovely bathroom, and I also adore this closet. Pretty big closet. This is my favorite feature. The bathtub. Needs some work done to it, but I can't wait. Toilet. And a closet. We got plenty of storage in this bathroom. And then those cabinets down there. That is me. Super excited. Master bedroom. But it's okay for me. Just me by myself. It's okay. So that was one room and one bathroom. This is the bathroom that's in the hallway. This room is the room I'm currently sleeping in. Probably will end up being my son's room, but I'm waiting on my master bedroom furniture to be delivered before I move into my bedroom. This room right here is the 3rd bedroom. It is lovely as well. It has a decent sized closet also. And this is the living room area, which is another favorite part. Also love this fireplace. And it's just some random items I have sitting everywhere. But this is an overview of the living room and the living room closet. I have a few little items in there. The kitchen items, nothing have been unpacked, but that's the kitchen. And this is the back door. It has a doggy door. I don't think I will use that. And right here for the refrigerator and the stove. I have to order a refrigerator. Also need to order a washer and dryer, but we have a spot for that. And right out that door is the 2-car garage. So that is the end of the house tour. I'm going to give you guys a once over of everything. I hope you enjoyed. Enjoyed it. I can't wait to take you guys along with me for the decorating and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys soon. Have a good one. Bye.